Ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Opera House in Norway together with Coach Jill! Ayan!
Yan.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Norway na napakagandang lugar kung saan nakatira si Coach Jill,
Yes,
diba?
home city, home base.
Yes, so alam niyo ba guys, si Coach Jill is our leader and legendary circle for the whole Europe. So siya yung nag-handle ng buong Europe, kumaga kung saan-saan ba yung mga leaders mo ngayon, mga estudyante mo?
We have Italy, we have France, we have Switzerland. Meron din tayong Liechtenstein, we have Germany, UK. Meron din
Yeah.
tayong UK. It's not part of the EU, but we have a lot of members in the UK. Of course, si Ma'am Kat is from Finland. Siya yung nagvi-video ngayon.
Yes.
And then, ano pa, marami. Budapest. We have Budapest. We have Russia coming in and a lot more.
Yeah, so in short, we are all over Europe.
Yes.
No? We are all over Europe. And ultimate goal talaga namin is to help Filipino community na magkaroon ng financial literacy as well as forex trading knowledge, 'di ba? Kasi
Yes.
talagang malaking tulong sa inyo 'to, lalo na sa mga OFWs natin. We know na talagang malaki naman talaga sila sumahod, 'di ba? Talagang maganda yung income nyo. However, syempre mataas din yung cost of living dito, 'di ba?
Yes, that's true.
So malaki lang yung gastusin nyo. So meaning, yung mga nasasave nyo na pera, syempre, maliit lang talaga, di ba? Hindi ganun kalakihan para syempre masustain yung mga gusto-gustuhan nyo sa buhay. Siguro nakaka-survive kayo para sa mga basic needs nyo, sa mga, kumbaga, sa mga bills nyo,
Yes.
electrical, or whatever, ganyan. Pero syempre, may mga gusto rin kayo. Like, gusto nyo na ma-travel din yung Europe, di ba? Since
Yes.
andito na rin naman kayo, gusto nyo na rin libutin to, gusto nyo mag-Switzerland, gusto nyo mag-Amsterdam, di ba? Gusto
Yes.
nyo ikutin yung Europe. And you will be able to achieve that, of course, by having extra income.
Yes.
Which is, yun yung pinoprovide namin ni Coach Jill, makakuha kayo kumbaga ng pagkakakitaan na extra, di ba?
Yeah. For ano, tsaka hindi kailangan ng hard work. Kailangan lang ng konting knowledge and handphone, kailangan ng smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection. So yun lang ang
Yes.
kailangan yung and commitment to learn. Yun lang yung kailangan ninyo para ma-unlock yung another way to earn in the new normal na we can earn digitally.
Yes.
Yun ang
Siyempre, ang gusto natin talaga dito is financial freedom and time freedom,
time
di ba?
freedom. Sa akin talaga time freedom, guys, kasi dito sa Europe, hindi naman kaila na pag hardworking ka, hindi ka mawawalan ng pera, hindi ka mawawalan ng trabaho. However, we are selling our hours sa ating mga employers. So, ano yung kapalit nun? Yung sacrifice nun is our time for ourselves, our
Yes.
personal development, time for our family, your husband or your wife, and sa mga kids din. So, ako, ang nakita ko dito yung potentially na ma-change natin yung culture on how to earn money.
Yes.
Now, because of the new normal, we can unlock yung ways on how to earn digitally, and one of it is forex trading. There are many other ways, guys, but we are educating on the FX Lady community. We are focusing on forex trading and any trading, crypto and stocks as well.
Yeah.
So, yun ang sinishare namin sa mga
Yeah.
kapwa kababayan natin na matuto sila na paano to gawin.
Yes. And also, if you feel like na busy ka, di ba, syempre mga busy yung mga OFWs natin, di ba, ang dami nilang trabaho, hindi lang naman isa employer nyo, minsan dalawa, tatlo, apat. So
Yes.
ngayon, meron po kami mga ino-offer ng mga services wherein we can automate your trades, di ba? So automatically, meron na mga nag-execute ng order sa trading account nyo. All you have to do is just to monitor your profit, syempre. Pero syempre, hindi naman laging profit yun. There will
Yes.
come a time na syempre magkakaroon tayo ng losses. Pero syempre, you only have to invest the amount that you afford to lose, di ba?
Yes.
Pero the good thing is that you have passive income. Yun
Yeah.
naman pinaka-best doon. Kasi kahit hindi ka nag-trade, kahit medyo kulang pa sa kaalaman, or medyo busy ka sa mga anak mo, or sa trabaho mo, kaya mo pa rin kumita ng pera through forex trading
Forex
automated. Ayan.
Yeah, so can you imagine, guys, so busy tayo lagi sa work, tapos Saturday, Sunday, meron pa kayong mga part-time work. Pero right now, meron tayong automation. So, which means na, we will help you get set up with the account, and then after that, wala na kayong gagawin. Of course, you have to fund a little bit. Bibigyan nyo ng capital yung automation or yung bot trader ninyo. And you can start for as low as $100,
Yes, $100.
right? So yun pa yung good news. You don't need a big capital versus if you're thinking of what do you call this, starting your own business,
Traditional business.
magkano yung capital na kailangan ninyo? Especially if you're sa Pilipinas din, di ba, a lot of franchise companies, they're reaching out to the OFW group para daw bigyan ng negosyo ang mga
Yeah.
kapamilya sa Pilipinas. Pero for how much, 'di ba? For how much yung kailangan ng capital.
Yeah.
So it can go up to 100,000 ganon
Mhm.
and pataas. But right now, you can learn to earn digitally and you can ano yun, parang start with the
Start your own digital business
Yes,
for as low as
for as low as
$149,
$100,
diba?
$149. So yun yung ano, yun yung ituturo namin sa inyo.
Yeah. So if
Yan.
you are interested to be part of our community and finally magkaroon ka ng extra money using your phone, then we're very much willing, of course, to assist you and guide you. And nandito naman si Coach Jill, if you
Mhm.
are coming from, of course, Europe, syempre iba ang time zone yun. They
Mhm.
provide a lot of training, seminars,
Mhm.
pati yung mga guidance, mentorship, coaching, lahat ng pangangailangan nyo, ipo-provide yan, syempre, ng
Yes.
leaders natin lang dito sa
Yes.
Europe. So ngayon, we are building our community and we are definitely eyeing na talagang lumaki yung community natin dito hanggang sa, alam mo yun, mag 100, 200, thousands of people, especially
Yes.
yung mga OFW community natin dito, maging financially literate and stable and financially free, diba? Yun. So, ayun guys, and just check the comment section. Nandiyan po yung link ng Europe natin. Meron po tayong GC wherein doon po tayo nagko-communicate, nag-update sa mga schedule, or whatever na mga kailangan nyo para makapag-start kayo from the start. Ayan.
Yan. So, I hope to see you guys sa EU-UK community natin and we will help you to get started with your trading journey.
Ayan
Ayan.
guys!
Bye for now.